So, hello everyone. So, start from the today class. Today topic is RT. Basically, RT is right to free and compulsory education till normal child 6 to 14 year and a special child 6 to 18 year. Okay. So basically, RT is having the main motto about the what was the main motto according to RTE to provide a free and compulsory educations, and education should be like that there is not any kind of discriminations occur with the child. Okay. So basically, RT, there are many factual data were there. There is not any kind of theory you can mug up easily and you can just write it. This is not in this topic is basically included, and here only you can just learn it from data only. So there is a mini scheduled and there is a mini chapter which are included here. So first schedule there are the 7 chapter and also introduction included in first chapter. So introduction, basically RT is about right to free and compulsory educations, and there is a which article that was included, like RT having the 2002 and 86 amendment 21st A article that was included. So this is basically mentioned is the first chapter that was the introduction. Now come to the schedule 2. So schedule 2 is the definitions were mentioned there. Okay, and here chapter 2 and section 3 there is the right to free and compulsory education till 6 to 14 for from normal child and 6 to 18 for disabled child. This is the criteria basically passed from the chapter 2, chapter 3, section 4, section 5. Okay, so having the every criteria, having the every different kind of provision were there from each and every classes and each and every sections. Okay, so section 4 is that admission as per the age of 10-year child. Okay, now section 5 is that there is a transfer certificate till 7 day. Okay, now come to the chapter 6 is that there is a social distance, school distance from the primary school is 1 kilometer and upper primary school is 3 kilometer. Okay, now come to the section 7. There is a mention about central and state government having the ratio 60 is equal to 40. Okay, now come to this section 8. There is a government duty were mentioned there. On after that section 9 there is a local authority. Suppose that panchayat, MCD, these all are basically bodies were included. Now come to the section 9. There is a family responsibility, what they get to the child. This all are the mentioned section 10. And there is a section 11. There is the Anganwadi were mentioned there. So there is a only section were mentioned. There is not any kind of theory here. I already told that you guys. This is the question related from the RT. So there is a two question basically. First is the school distance according to the RT. This is a very important question, frequently asked each and every examination. So first is the primary. From the primary there is a 1 kilometer, and from the upper primary there is a 3 kilometer. Okay, now come to the right to free and compulsory education, article 86 2020 2002, 6 to 40 from the normal and 6 to 80 for the special child. Okay, so this is all about from the RT. So thank you everyone.